Okay, let's start off by talking about the maximum function. And I'm first going to show you how to type it into a cell. It's a good way to familiarize yourself with a particular function if we learn how to type it in first. I'll also give you a fast way in a second. So here we are, I'm in cell E5, and I would like to know the maximum value within this range of cells here. So in order to do that, I'm going to click on E5 where I want to put the result of this formula. I'm going to type equals, and then the maximum function is identified by the function called max. So I'm going to type max, open bracket. Pops up basically a little syntax helper here in Excel, which gives me the layout of the actual function. So when it says number 1, number 2, if you ever see that, it's just asking for a range of cells or an individual cell. In this case, we want to give it a range. So I want to say cell B5, colon, to say 2, and then D5. And then I'm going to close the bracket. So if we evaluate this function, what it's saying is show me the maximum value in the range of B5 to D5. If I then were to hit enter, you'll notice it gives me the maximum value in that range of cells, and I can of course fill that down to the other ones. Now, because max is a very common function, there is a very fast way to do it. To insert a maximum function quickly into a cell, we can highlight the range of cells we want to know the maximum value for, and then up on the Home tab, over at the end, remember you have that auto sum button. If you click the drop down arrow, you'll notice max is one of the options. As soon as I click max, it's going to put in the function there, and again, I could copy that down. So there you have the maximum function.